Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how we can order milk and curd in Zepto, which is a 10 minutes grocery app. Just open the Zepto app. Upon opening, we'll find the home page like this. After opening the home page, we'll get several categories here based on requirement of viewers. You have to just get into that particular category. Now, I would like to order milk and curd. So just I'm opening dairy, bread and butter. So if you open this one, I want curd. So I'm just selecting Godrej Jersey tone milk curd. Yes, this I want. And one milk packet I want. Heritage full cream milk I want. So I have selected this, and upon just crossing 49 rupees, Zepto is offering free delivery to your home. It's so simple, and I've selected these two. I'm going to my cart. Just press on the cart. This will ask you to enter your delivery address. I have already entered my delivery address. If you are not entered, just go to change address and give your address. After giving your address here, it will ask you to continue to payment. Just click the continue to payment. After that, it will show you how you can pay in Zepto. You can pay in multiple ways in Zepto, that is through UPI, PhonePe, and cards, credit cards, debit cards. You can pay through cred. You can pay through using wallets, pay later, and net banking also you can pay. Also, you may use cash on delivery mode for your order to be successfully delivered to your place. That's all. After paying automatically based on your address, this curd and milk will reach you in just 10 minutes time. It's wonderful if you observe clearly. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video.